आमच्या ती जेटी बांधलेली स्पीकर सर ही जेटी ऑन द जेटी how many agents will be there, fish agents, how many vessels will be there, and what facilities will be there, and this jetty was proposed when speaker sir.
सभापती महाशय, हातून गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचो रोल सीमित आसा. हांगा फक्त आमी 26 कोटी दिवपाचें एक प्रावधान आसा. प्रोजेक्ट ज्या वेळार फंडींग जालें त्या वेळार सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान 50%, गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान 25% आनी एमपीटीन 25% अशें दिवपाचें ठरलें आनी 26 कोटी गोवा गव्हर्मेंट दिवपाचो आसा. ते प्रोविजन केल्लें आसा.
स्पीकर सर हांवें मिनिस्टर येतालो स्पीकर सर एजंट कितले आसतले, तिंगा बोटी कितले आसतल्यो, तिंगा फॅसिलिटी कितें आसतले आनी तो प्रपोजल केन्ना दिलोलो स्पीकर सर. म्हाका खबर आसा स्पीकर सर 26 crores बजेट अलाउन्स लेकिन ऑनरेबल सीएमान केला स्पीकर सर इन द लास्ट बजेट.
हांवें सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाणे फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटाक हांगा चड कन्सर्न येयल्लो ना. हांगासर फक्त जाला ते आमचो रोल सीमित आसल्या कारणान आमी फक्त पयशे दिता 26 कोटी इतकोच आमचो रोल आसा. बाकीचे सगळे एमपीटी पळयता.
Speaker sir, I disagree with the minister's reply, Speaker sir. The jetty is for the people of Goa, Speaker sir, and the jetty is going to be built by MPT, Speaker sir, for the government of Goa. I am asking the minister, Speaker Anek Pati, how many trawlers will be there? What are the facilities proposed there, Speaker sir? And see how many fish agents will be there. I want to know what will be there, Speaker sir.
आमी सांगला त्या प्रमाणे आमी फक्त आमचो रोल सीमित दवरलेलो आसा. बाकीचे सगळे एमपीटी पळयता. त्यामुळे माननीय मेंबरान जे कितें आसा ते तेणी घेवन येवचें.
डिटेल म्हाका दिसता सादारण अदमास मेंबराक आसा आनी ताका जाय ते डिटेल जाय जाल्यार एमपीटी कडच्यान घेवन हांव मिनिस्टराक सांगता की एमपीटी कडच्यान घेवन दिवं येता ताका.
स्पीकर सर हिंगा आतां ही जेटी हांवें बांदपाची स्पीकर सर. ही जेटी बांदपाची गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवान फिशरी डिपार्टमेंटान. And Speaker sir, now I have not got my answer, Speaker sir, still. I have not got my answer of how many agents will be operating. I have not got my answer of how many trawlers will be there and see what are the facilities. Honorable Chief Minister has said that he'll discuss it later, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, आता CICF एक answer दिला Speaker sir म्हाका that coastal engineering and fisheries they have altered the layout of the fishing jetty, Speaker sir. I want to know, Speaker sir, alteration किती हा? Alteration केला Speaker sir त्यांनी, and the cost of the alteration, Speaker sir.
हांवें एक जॉयंट मिटींग आपयता जानेवारीच्या फर्स्ट विकान जॉयंट मिटींग आपयता आनी त्या वेळार एमपीटीचे आनी सगळ्या कॅनो बोट ओनर्स असोसिएशन आसा तांची एक मिटींग आपोवन हाजेर निर्णय कितलो घेतलो वयतलो.
चला Speaker sir, what are the changes that coastal engineering and fisheries they have suggested here in the reply, Speaker sir? I have got, Speaker sir. You have given the reply. I want to know, Speaker sir, ये changes किती केला Speaker sir? I don't know whether the director is not supporting the minister here with replies. I want to know what changes have been done, Speaker sir, and what is the extra cost, Speaker sir? ये मुझे आंसर अजून म्हाका एक मेळना स्पीकर सर. ये चेंजीस कितें स्पीकर सर?
सभापती महाशय, हांवें हांगा सांगलां कितें की फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटाक कांय कन्सर्न ना हांगासर. हांगा एमपीटीचो लुकआवट आसा बांदप कितें तें आमी फक्त पयशे कितके तेजे प्रावधान केल्लें आसा. आमी 26 कोटीचो प्रोसेस केल्लो आसा.
Alex
wait no Speaker sir, I have not got my answer Speaker. ये कितें Speaker sir? It's all vague answer Speaker sir.
Minister gave a very clear answer that in the first week of January he will call a joint meeting with MPT and the MLA so that whatever MLA wants to raise can be satisfied at the same time. You cannot expect minister to have all details of the technical aspect of it particularly when the project is actually being executed by MPT, though it is for the benefit of the state. He has already given the assurance that he is calling a meeting, joint meeting, so that whatever questions Honorable MLA have can be answered in that joint meeting.
Speaker, sir, I want my last. Is this from here only?
माननीय
Speaker?
मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी
No, Speaker, sir. I'm asking a valid question, Speaker, sir. Speaker, sir, आता एक like no MPT ने एक ये डाला, Speaker, sir. Like AI report to like no Goa Pollution Control Board on like no they have sent it to them. They, Speaker, sir, hearing can go tell. Like no, see a public hearing has to be conducted. Now see you are replying, Speaker, sir, here inside and I'm not satisfied. See a public, otherwise like see even if the reply is given, it will be delayed because that on the 1st November 2017, a request has been sent to Goa Pollution Control Board to conduct this to give environment clearance. So I am only requesting the minister that like see expedite. We can't push the blame on MPT. See like Goa Pollution Control Board has to conduct the EIS, Speaker, sir. Nala te amchi jetty mai late jatil, Speaker, sir. Ata already ek varas zale. Like no foundation galun.
Goa Pollution Control Board, since this is pertaining to environment, I'll answer him. Goa Pollution Control Board does not do EIA. They do a public hearing on behalf of EIA, for purpose of EIA. So I will tell them to expedite, it is an independent authority, I will tell them to expedite.
माननीय मंत्र्याकडे सर म्हाका जाणून घेवपा जाय की तुमचे कलीग जे कालोचो प्रश्न आहा तो जेटी वास्कोची आनी ताजे खातीर एमपीटीचो अशें रिप्लाय तुमी दिला तेंची जॉयंट मिटींग घेतले पूण हाच्या पयलीं कुडबण बेती शापोरा ह्यो 4 पळय जेटी आसात ह्यो पयलीं हांवें हावजाक हांगा हें जाल्ल्यो की त्यो बांदतले म्हणून की जेणे करून जे बोटवाल्यांक जे बोटी जे येवन आदळटात त्रास जाता हेजे खातीर
माननीय विरोधी पक्ष नेते म्हाका दिसता आमी पर्टिक्युलरली त्या क्वेश्चनाचेर स्ट्रिक्ट रावया कारण उरलेल्या
जेटी सगळे लागू जाल्यो जेटीची बद्दल आयो
इट इज पर्टिक्युलरली क्वेश्चन अबाउट द जेटीज इन वास्को कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी
ह्या जेटी बद्दल तुम्ही सांगा तुम्ही असे कळपा पाहिजे
परत एक तुम्ही एक प्रश्न हेजेर फुडें आसतलो तेन्ना विचारात
फिशरमॅन कम्युनिटी खातीर जेटीचे प्रश्न हो आतां तातूंतल्यान जर सभाघराक कळटा जाल्यार बरें न्ही
हे प्रश्न ह्या हातून आयिल्लेत ना हांगा फक्त वास्को जेटीचोच प्रश्न आयिल्लो आसा
माननीय श्री एलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लोरेन्सो
Speaker, sir. In the river nationalization, we are talking of power to the state government. You are saying, Amgele, minister's reply is that he is saying that only Apdange role, only little is there, paying that money and my role is there. So I don't think we should do that, at least when there is so much of issues in Goa. Second thing, one of the association is kept aside. तीन बोट ओनर्स एसोसिएशन आहाय थिंगा एक एसोसिएशन भायर दवरला आनी सेकंड थिंग आतां रिपेर पडे आहा ती तूं कित्याक कोन्ना वाय आर यू गिविंग इट टू पोर्ट ट्रस्ट वाय डोंट यू टेक दॅट ऑप्शन बिकॉज इट विल बी आमकां कितें चेंजीस जाय त्यो लोकल कितें चेंजीस जाय त्यो एक मिनिट
रिपेर करता ती
रिपेर न्यू घालपाचें न्यू बांदपाचें न्यू
and 75% cost is being borne by central government.
No, that you let the central government bear it. But at least we built it. आमकां पावर उत्तलो तेजेर
Power आमचीच आहा.
पावर दिवपाक
सर ताका पूर्ण विषय खबर ना. What he is raising is completely different issue, which I agree. All these issues has to be settled before the JT is made operational. So he is raising the issue. Honorable member is raising completely different issue. I don't know which rivers he has nationalized. He might have. We have not. We don't know any nationalization of any river. That is one issue. Second issue, what he is talking about, he does not know. It is a central government which is going one step forward to construct a jetty for us with 75% contribution. 75% contribution by them. They need not do it, but they are doing it because we have requested them. Only MPT will construct it. They are the constructing agency because the money is spent through MPT. We are only giving money. But operation will be totally with the state government. It is not going to be with the MPT. That's why the minister said that in January he will conduct a meeting. Since he was not there in earlier term, he may not know the detail. Earlier government, the minister knew about the detail. This he can rework with the MLA. There is nothing called as operational control of MPT on this jetty. it is going to be Fisheries Department.
आणि सभापती महाशय हांव नवीनच मंत्री आसलो कारणान माननीय सदस्य कार्लोस आल्मेडा हे 9 म्हयन्यांक एकदांय म्हजे कडेन हो प्रश्न घेवन आयले ना. त्यामुळे म्हजी विनंती आहा तांकां की कितें आसा जाल्यार ताणें घेवन येवचें.
Speaker sir, I am not supposed to go and tell a minister, Speaker sir. He has to get a review from the department, Speaker sir. I think maybe they, for the last 9 months, Speaker sir, Magasa minister, director, me on astalo. Speaker sir, he cannot say that I am not there for the last 9 months. I am there, Speaker sir, here. How the minister can say, Speaker sir, that I am not there last 9 months? Speaker sir, this is wrong, Speaker sir. How he can make a accusation, Speaker sir?
I think
Last month, 9 months been.
I think the MLA in a way is right. We have to take proactive, but there are issues which have to be completed. We have to realize that sometime we want some projects to be done fast track. For example, if you ask me, Speaker sir, I also want Bangini project, Kakora project to be done fast track. But the law says that you have to follow a particular regulation in which environment impact assessment for any jetty, whether it is fishing, even it is for good purpose, and all the members of the house agree, still a particular work will have to be carried out through a public hearing. That public hearing on 100% support मेळ्ळो जाल्यार सुद्धा ते hearing करचे पडटा. You cannot avoid that legal position. That I will expedite. You are right about it. That part I will expedite. I will tell them to speed it up. And I will also request the minister. In fact, I will also be coming for that meeting. You tell the date, convenient date. You find out and tell me. I will attend.
Speaker sir, I just want to request the Honorable Minister, Speaker sir, कि लेकिन minister ने बच्चे नाम के Speaker धूपा जाना.
Meeting call करता पड़ेगा.
9 महीने सांगते पर Speaker sir, I'm just requesting the minister.
माननीय सदस्याक जाय जाल्यार हांव 19 डिसेंबराक येता थंयसर ताणें अरेंज करची मिटींग हांव येवन पळयता.
ना Speaker sir, हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता minister की ते meeting लेकिन तुझे cabinet organize कर पहली. We can discuss it there first. And my side is Speaker sir.
विषय जो आसा तो बेगीन सुटूंक जाय. जर तूं पयलीं करपाची हा मिटींग 19 डिसेंबर इज नॉट पॉसिबल, बट 20th इफ यू वॉन्ट यू कॅन फिक्स. आय विल कॉल MPT ऑल्सो. लेट अस डू इट फर्स्ट हियर आनी ताका 20 तारखेकूच फिक्स कर. देर इज नो प्रॉब्लेम, सो दॅट फास्टेस्ट इट इज रिजॉल्व.
स्पीकर सर म्हाका रिप्लाय मेळना. द थर्ड एसोसिएशन पळय आहा तें कित्याक भायर दवरलें तें आनी CM सांगता ते आमकां फावर कोत्ताय आमकां जाय आमगे गोंयांत आनी सेंटर आमकां फावर कोत्ता. आय डोंट नो वॉट CM इज सेईंग.
ना ओल्ड क्रॉस म्हणून पळय आशिल्लें.
आमकां जाय आमगे नुस्तेकारांक जाय गोंयकारांक.
सीएम उलयता.
ताकाय आपय मिटींगेक.
म्हाका नाका म्हाका बाबा नाका.
हांव
सीएमागे स्टेटमेंटाचेर उलयता. सीएमान स्टेटमेंट केला की दे आर डुईंग अस अ फेवर. आमी गोंयकार दोरी आमगेलो ते आमकां बांदताय आनी आमकां फावर कोत्ताय. आमकां जाय न्ही ती वस्तू आमी जाय म्हूण बांदताय न्ही. फावर कोन्ना. इट इज अ ड्युटी. स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान ड्युटी आहा करपाक.
तो कितें उलयता ताकाच कळना.
तोच कळत ना कित्याक
सांगलें
कळना म्हूण जालें
मान्य
म्हूण रॉंग जालां.
मान्य सभासद बसून घेत.
क्लियर सांगलें बांदपाचें काम MPT करतली. ऑपरेशन आनी हँड ओव्हर गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाक करतली. ताणें आयकून ना. ऑपरेशन आनी हँड ओव्हर गोवा गव्हर्मेंट करतले.
ते आमकां फावर कोत्ताय.
तुका
कोणी न्ही.
तुमच्या वेळार तुमकां पयशे हाडपाक जमलें ना.
ते सोड.
नाही कांयच हाडपाक जमलें ना. हांव काडून सगळो स्टॅटिस्टीक दाखयत धर तूं. यू हॅव नॉट इवन गॉट 100 crores फॉर 7 years यू रूल्ड. वी गॉट अबाउट 15,000 crores. सो यू कुड नॉट गेट एनीथींग. ताजेर तूं हें करूं नाका. हांव ताजेर कांय म्हणना. वी हॅव मॅनेज टू गेट मनी फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट. दे आर गोईंग टू कन्स्ट्रक्ट इट. वी आर ओनली कॉन्ट्रिब्युटींग 25%. द ऑपरेशन ऑफ द जेटी विल बी विथ अस. Therefore, I said that on 20th itself we can hold a meeting, and if member is interested about solving the problem of third association, he can attend the meeting and raise the issue. We have to check up what is the position.
Speaker sir, that like third association, I just want to inform the Honorable CM Speaker sir that they were called for the meeting that time, and they have not agreed. And see, they have got 2 associations.
मीटिंग येन पळोवनी न्ही.
Okay, Speaker. Thank you, Speaker.
निलेश काब्राल सांगले न्ही तुम्ही मिटिंगेक येयात म्हणून. निलेश काब्राल.
स्पीकर सर, हे प्रश्नाचे एक उत्तरान ऑनरेबल CMन उत्तर दिला. सो आय विल आस्क ऑनरेबल CM ओनली वन थिंग, वेदर द न्यू NGT ऑर्डर विच इज जस्ट रिसेंटली कम विल इफेक्ट द पब्लिक हियरिंग, विल इफेक्ट the provision what is emphasized in completing the jetty urgently, or the state government will go to Supreme Court to take this order back on case-to-case basis or whatever.
We are taking already measures on the recent, though this is not a part of this question, still environment issue comes. I'll just clarify that there was a recent direction by NGT that till coastal management zone plan is finalized, there should not be any approval for any project. If required, I have already moved that to amend these not to be applicable for certain important project. Case to case we may decide, that is separate issue. If required, we will go to any legal forum. But even then, that restriction is only up to March, April. And we are sure of completing our the documentation by that period.
Chichil Alemo.
Speaker sir, तूं आमकां दोन नाका आमी बोडकार आमकां खबर आहा बोटीचे म्हाका
म्हणून दिला न्ही उलोवपाक.
त्या डॉकाची सारकी म्हायती आहा कित्याक हांव थिंगा नुस्तें मारपाक वचपी. आमी थिंगा बोटी घेवन आसले तेन्ना आमकां सडनली तेमी बंद केले तेन्ना एमपीडीन आनी मागीर आमी जवळून थंय तसो कुडको घेतलो तेन्ना हांव आहा कालूच पासून आमदार जालो ना तेन्ना आमी ऑनरेबल MLA कालूच पळय कितें उलयता तें सारकें आहा कित्याक थिंगा आमगेली रायट आसपा जाय हाल्या थिंगा बांदिल्ली आनी एमपीडीन आपल्याक दवरलें म्हूण न्हू ताका लागून हांव आतां कित्याक केस कितको बांदताय तें आमकां कितू रायट मेळटा सीएमान मातशें नजर दवरपा जाय.
It will be handled by...
इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट कित्याक ते धोक्या लागून आमी कितले पाट भितर पडले तें आमकां खबर आहा त्या धोक्याचेर आख्खें कॅप्चर करूंक येतालो एमपीटी कित्याक तें पयलीं एक्झॅक्टली फिशींग जेटी आखीच ती मागीर तेमी बांदून सगळें तें केलां सो तें आतां जावपा जायना कित्याक हांव बोटकार खूब जाले आमच्या बोटी आहाय थिंगा ताका त्यो बोटयो लागून दवरपाक जाग ना म्हूण तें आज जेटी बांदपा जाय आनी ते जेटी कडेन एमपीटीन म्हूण तें थिंगा भितर सरप न्हू ताका भितर येवपाकूच दिवपा जायना ही सारकी प्रायोरिटी आमच्या बोटकारान दवरपा जाय हें हांव मागता.
Luizin Falero.
Speaker sir, I was listening to the Honorable Minister for Fisheries as well as Honorable Chief Minister. The basic question is pertaining to the rights and responsibilities of the members of this House. Now, fisheries is a state subject. It's not a central subject. Maybe what Chief Minister is saying, he has got thousands and thousands of funds for this. But the project is a state project. And therefore, both the replies of the minister was that they are implementing it. Tomorrow, the same thing will happen for these rivers. They will say they are implementing because they are giving the money. But finally, as a member of this House, it is my right. And as an Honorable Chief Minister of this House, it is your responsibility to see that these projects, these subjects, which are state subjects, fisheries is a state subject. It is a life of the people of Goa. Our food habits is fish. And when some projects come, it should be in the hands of the government. I'm putting it to you. You are in power, so it should be with the state government, not with the central government. Maybe they are giving the money. And as a member, it is my right and my responsibility to ask questions and get a replies.
Speaker sir,
Okay.
to je sangta, that is because he has not understood what Churchill Alemo said. Churchillan बरोबर सांगले ही जेटी जी आसा पळय आतां ती एमपीटीच्या एरियेन येता आनी त्या जेटी वयल्यान बऱ्याचदा कंप्लेनी येताल्यो एमपीटीन भितर इंट्रूड करतात म्हणून काही फिशरमॅन. इट वॉज सेक्युरिटी रिस्क in a sense that there was so much porosity that how can you guarantee 100%? Even today, the fisheries department is not able to give proper cards to the trawler operators. Owners may be getting the card, but the operation is not done by Goan fishermen. More 99.9% तुम्ही गोयकार म्हणटा म्हणून सांगता ट्रॉलरांचेर लोक काम करता पळय ते भायले आसा झारखंड आसा ओरिसाचे आहा तांकां सेक्युरिटी क्लियरन्स अजुनूय दिता म्हणसर प्रॉब्लेम जाता. सो एमपीटी ऑलवेज हॅड अ प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ सेक्युरिटी बिकॉज दीस पीपल डीड नॉट हॅव प्रॉपर कार्ड. So there was fight going on continuously between MPT and the local fishermen. The issue was brought to our notice. So finally, after MLA's intervention and meetings continuously, we finally came to conclusion that this jetty can be shifted in a proper place. Earlier proposal during their rule was to shift it on Baina side, which fishermen opposed. So we are shifting it from next to MPT to the other end of that C-shape structure, where there is Mosundi bhi apade, thai shift karta. They shift karpak, finally there was general agreement that we are ready to come here instead of here if we get all the facilities. Now the problem came, such a costly affair, Government of Goa, fisheries म्हणून जर तो हांव रावलो म्हजो सब्जेक्ट म्हणून, जाल्यार म्हाका 120 कोटी काय 111 कोटी I will have to spend. So I requested central government, that time I was in defense ministry, I requested them that they should construct and give it to us. So number one, we are not losing any right, but they are spending money and giving it to us. If someone is spending money, he has a right to float the tender as per approved design by us and complete it and give it, hand it over to us. So it will come to us. It will be within state governments. Money, 75% will be spent by them, and then we will operate it. Now what issue he has raised is an operational issue which Goa government will take care. During the meeting, we will resolve the issue, whatever issue is resolved. About fisheries is my right, म्हणून हांव ओग्गी बसलो, 110 पटी म्हाका खर्च करचे पडटले. तो म्हाका जर तूं पयशे बांदून दिता फुकट, जाल्यार बांदून दिवनी मरे म्हाका 12 आणे पयशे घालून.